In this episode, I'm going to share with you the benefits of proper landscaping. And this is according to househunt.com, which I'm not endorsing them, but this is a great information piece that they put out, and I wanted to share with you guys, okay? So the benefits of landscaping, not only for homeowners, but home sellers. So just so you know, okay, here's some stats. Good landscaping can raise home value up to 28%, okay? So again, good landscaping can raise your home value up to about 28% national average. Pretty interesting. We know curb appeal is extremely important. I've shared that in past videos, as well as with every client, that curb appeal is a must, okay? Landscaping can raise a sales price 4 to 5%. Great landscaping, increase what you get for your home about 4 to 5% more, okay? In some areas, in some times, right, spring, summer, fall, it can be even more probably. Homes with great landscaping sell typically 10 to 15% faster. Pretty cool, you get a faster home sale because you took the time to take care of your landscaping and your curb appeal. Here's some other interesting thing. Now, insulation from shrubbery, right, can actually save you about $100 to $250 a year. Pretty interesting. Where you place your shrubs, maybe they block some of the sun out, or whatever the case is, okay? They can save you about $100 to $250 a year. Pretty interesting. A few strategically placed trees can cut heating bills down by about 15% and AC bills by about 75%. How interesting is that? I want to share with you just a brief thing here. You know, in my personal home, my son's room is in the front of the house, and we have a huge river birch tree that provides shade all day long, okay? His room is always cooler. My daughter's room is in the back of the house, and we don't have any trees that block her window, okay? So therefore, she gets that strong sun all day, and her room is always hot. So I see how strategically placed trees can actually save about 75% on your AC bill and about 15% on your heating bill. Very interesting, okay? So basically the values of trees, okay, they provide so much value, not only curb appeal, but also shade and save you on your heating bills. The most popular tree for American yards is actually a 24-inch red maple. Pretty interesting. And then, you know, another tip here that they share is staying local when you buy your plants, because exotic plants can actually cost thousands more to maintain in just 20 years. So long term, exotic plants will cost you more, so stay away from those, stay local. And last stat here is 15% is how much you can save with homeowners insurance with well-lit pathways. Nice well-lit pathways can save you money on your homeowners insurance. I thought this information was valuable. Share your thoughts in the comments. Also, I invite you to watch all my other videos on YouTube and wherever else you're watching this. Otherwise, I appreciate you tuning in for the whole video, and I'll see you next time. Thanks everyone for watching this episode of the Ask Jason Gelios show. Be sure to pick up your copy of my book, Think Like a Realtor, the new edition, available on Amazon and wherever books are sold online.